So this is my pantry right now. I organize it probably once or twice a year. It just gets so crazy for me. So there's actually no light in here, so I'm not sure if you can see, but it's just a ton of stuff, and it goes all the way back in there and at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and reorganize it. And I have purchased these baskets, and I have different ones too that I'm gonna bring back out, but every time it starts getting messy, I take some of the baskets out, which I know I shouldn't, because then it just gets reorganized all over again. I'm a little OCD, so this has been driving me nuts for the past few months now, but here I am getting around to it. The holidays are coming up, so I might as well just donate a ton of the food that we're not eating to a food drive or something, just to bless others, because we have been blessed abundantly. So yeah, if you want to see how I reorganize my pantry, keep watching. Okay guys, I'm done. I think I actually just have a mess in. Oh no! Hi! What? Say hi! Say hi! Pretty girl. She's been helping me. Okay, so I went ahead and flipped the camera around, and here it is. I normally like to have all my cereals and pancake mix and stuff up there with little snacks for the dogs. And in that basket is candy for the crazies. I kind of keep it out of reach for them just because they will go nuts on it. And I just organized my noodles, my macaroni and cheese, all my box stuff, and my boxed up broth. And then I have, I think that is, I'm sorry it's so dark. I don't have a light in here. I'm gonna be getting one soon. This is all like my, sorry about that, I had a phone call. So I have all my rice mix and stuff right here, and then I have my my beans, and then down here is my basket of like mixed drinks that I can do teas and electrolyte drinks with, chocolates and stuff like that. And then I have all my cans. My right here is all my condiments, like mayonnaise, just extra stuff like I don't know why I'm out of breath. Lime juice and stuff like that. Then down here I have my sugar and all my different sugars, my cake mixes, my baking soda, and then this is just random right here. I just have extra grits and garlic. Over here I have like a snack basket with just has like cookies and stuff like that, like little snacks like you can run in, I don't know what that is, candy puffs. And then over here is just kind of like the mixes, like the meat mixes and Parmesan and turkey pepperoni and, you know, different stuff that you can make different snacks with. And then down here I have all my baking cake stuff, like the fondant and the different sprinkles and stuff like that. And this one I have all my chocolate, what are these called? Morsels. I have all of those, and then my peanuts and pecans and stuff like that. Baby food, protein. On this side, it's really just kind of extra of the goldfish and stuff like that. And then this bag, I have extra bags like that, and then I have like plastic spoons and forks. Down here, I just kind of put all the waters, and then my chips are always getting crushed. So I brought out 2 totes, and I just have them in there. One box is open, which is this one, and the other is not. And on this side, I just have extra of picante sauce and stuff like that, wine, just extra stuff over there. And then over here, I redid my entire, I don't know what you would call this, like a medicine cabinet, I guess you could say. I don't know. Anyway, so at the bottom is just sunscreen, moisturizer, mosquito repellent baby wipes. Then I have all of my doctor stuff, like my backache stuff, my ice packs. The next row is like all the band-aids, medical stuff like Neosporin, his aspirator. I have, the next row would be like allergies, so it's anything to do with allergies, like mucus relief and Benadryl, nasal spray, temp thermometer. And then up here I have all, like for pain, like ibuprofen, what else? Tylenol. I got ear drops for the kids because they normally have tons of earaches. Well, hopefully Emily not anymore because she had tubes. Then the next row is just vitamins and then extra energy shots. Over here is just my oils. And then up here is just tummy stuff. And then at the top is just extra vitamins and stuff for the dogs and us. But yeah, so that's it. I love the way it came out. I'm gonna do a before and after shot if you didn't see it, but I'm excited because it looks so good. And me being OCD, I'm probably gonna have to label everything, like my totes, and then for here, just like boxed foods. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.